So this is the place?
Yeah, Bob, I'm very sorry. Since our place is very far away, we had to stay at Sunset Coast for a bit.
Yeah, I changed my hair while we were gone.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, let's go.
Where are you?
People are cutting the line. Let's go.
Bob?
Yes.
I'll just line up at this line.
Okay, I'll line up with you so that we have the same room.
Yeah.
Oh, can we go book this place?
Like a big
Room, please? Okay, so your register is 279. Okay, we got a room now.
Okay, let's go.
Thank you.
Come on up.
Thank you.
What's your room? What's your room number?
111.
Oh, my room is right next to yours, Bob.
Okay, let's go.
112.
Where is the place? Where's the elevator? Oh, it's over here. But what is the floor? Let's go. Nate?
I'm gonna do 1.
I heard Arwen is over in the hallway here. Okay, let's go. Find it. Room 1, 2. Is there a room 1? No, it's in the other side. Maybe. We're new to this.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Sorry, Mom. I'm sorry that we're getting lost.
111. I'm here.
Oh, I'm right here. 112.
Okay.
Night, Mom.
Night. There's 2 beds.
What?
But we can't have it together. Knock, darling.
Hi, Mom.
Open the door. Can I live here with you for a while? Because I'm scared. I'm just gonna go in. And I'm just gonna go take a bath, honey.
Okay.
Bye.
I'm gonna go work on some papers.
Okay. Okay, I'm done taking a bath. You're just using... Why are you... You're just doing your homework? Oh, you have a new pedal? Pedal? You're gonna have school tomorrow, so you better sleep.
But Mom, I might come home late every weekday because I actually have a part-time job.
Oh. Well, you're going to high school.
Yeah.
So we better.
Our school is called the Anime High School.
Okay, so we better sleep now.
Okay. Night, Mom.
Night.
Oh, it's time for school. I sleep. Let's have a shower. Have a shower. Shower.